Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, and today I'm back with a short little update video for you, short informational video about APTOS and about trading campaign that is on MEXC, guys. Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So as I'm saying, quick little video today, not gonna make this one too long because I just want to give you the informations, because well, I like the event that is currently ongoing here. So guys, APTOS trading campaign on MEXC. Many of you might know APTOS. It's currently ranked number 22 on CoinMarketCap, so that's pretty good. And there is this competition here, this event where there is $1.5 million up for grabs. So you have spot trading with zero fees, guys. You have locked staking, you have futures trading competition, and more rewards waiting for you. So first of all, guys, they have all of these mentioned here. There is 0% fees, as you can see, during the event. Enjoy 0 fees for APT to USDT spot trading, and you can see the exact date. So it's starting pretty much right now as I'm publishing this video to you guys. Then there is also locked savings and staking for APT on MEXC, as you can see, with up to 20% APR, which is very good. So if you have some APT, or if you want to buy some APT, which will also be very good opportunity for you, because, well, 0% fees, guys, okay, so that definitely sounds good if you ask me. Then you can buy your APT, and instead of just hodling it, you can lock it in staking and get even more. So, you know, who wouldn't take this beautiful opportunity, obviously, as long as you like APTOS, okay? And then on top of that, guys, because that's not just it, there is APT USDT futures trading competition, and there is basically a prize pool of 200,000 USDT prize pool, guys, okay? So during the event, trade APT futures with a minimum futures trading volume of 10,000 USDT, which is not really that hard to achieve. I mean, if you are trading futures, then you obviously know. For a chance to get a share of 200,000 USDT futures bonus pool. And then you have all the details right here. As you can see, you have all the rewards, how it works, how much trading requirement you need to have. So as you can see, there is 3,000 places, so that's actually quite a lot. And then from 301 to 500, you have, for example, 25 USDT. You need to make 200,000 trading volume. So obviously this is all explained right here exactly, guys. And if you are trading futures, if you know how to trade futures, I know that many of you do know and are making some significant profits, then, you know, on top of just trading futures and having fun and kind of, you know, making profit on that, then you can also get yourself some bonuses, which I guess is pretty cool. And then obviously, guys, APTOS is fully tradable and available to obtain on MEXC exclusively. Really great exchange when it comes to that. So if you are not already an MEXC user, then man, you are missing out. They are really solid exchange, fast withdrawals, you know, everything is pretty easy to understand here, very swift and easy experience, especially newbie friendly as well. So yeah, just wanted to mention that as well. And as you can see, there is definitely a bunch of people trading. They are getting ready for the freaking competition as well, guys. So that's pretty lovely. So yeah, as I said, short little video today, guys, about this APTOS x MEXC collaboration, guys. So if you want to jump in, if you want to check it out, if you want to trade, or if you want to buy some APTOS or stake some APTOS or whatever you want to do with it, then I will link MEXC and the event details down below in the description of this video, guys. That will be it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next ones coming out soon.